Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to Xray in Minecraft Bedrock servers, MCPE, Android, iOS, or Windows. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, this one will work on all of your devices, okay? Just basically open up a web browser and then find Xray Minecraft Bedrock. Okay, hit on enter, and then you can go out and use whatever website right here. You can use this one from the breakdown XYZ, MCPE, okay? Or just I'm just going to use Xray Glow right here from CurseForge, and then just go ahead over to files, okay, and download the latest version if you want to. Just click on 3 dots and download file, wait for it, and then just save it wherever you want. Make sure that you download an MC pack, okay? And then once that's downloaded, you can now go ahead and close the browser. You'll be able to see it right here. You can just right click on it, open with Minecraft for Windows. Okay, click on it to open up Minecraft, most specifically Bedrock, okay? And then what you'll do, as you can see here, it says import started, and we have Xray Glow. So just click on settings, and then scroll down and find global resources. My packs right here. Here we have Xray Glow. Activate it. Activated. Now just gotta hop into a game. Okay. Play. Create new world. You can go ahead and check your resource or behavior packs right here. Active. Okay. Xray Glow is now active. So just basically click on create and just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, all you got to do is just dig down. As you can see here, the further you go down, you will now be able to see a ton of things below. All right, that's basically it. That is how you Xray in Minecraft Bedrock servers. But just be careful. Some servers may ban you as they don't allow cheating, just like this one right here. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.